Hello, this is Brittany here with AMLI Park Broadway in downtown Long Beach. I am in our 2-bedroom townhome unit, our C8T floor plan, here to give you a quick virtual tour. I have 3 of these floor plans right now on the market. They are just finishing up with some exterior construction, so they're on the market for June. In the kitchen here, you will have Samsung stainless steel appliances, a gas stove with double oven feature, double door refrigerator, and ample cabinet space. When you walk right in here through the entryway, you have an extra coat closet here for vacuums, coats, shoes, just some nice extra space. There's one door right here to the patio area. We're on the first floor right now, facing out on the west side of our building. And here is the living room and dining room space. Also downstairs is a half bathroom. Really nice so that people who are over or yourself, if you're downstairs, you don't have to walk up to either of the bathrooms upstairs. In the living room here, you do have a ceiling fan. The apartments have central heating and air, of course, and they each have Nest thermostats. Right here, the stairs will lead you upstairs. In this floor plan, there are dual masters, so there's 2 master suites. Another favorite feature that I have of this floor plan is the laundry room, so you get a little bit extra space there too. And to the right here is one of the master bedrooms. You can see how bright it is in here. This one actually has a balcony off of this side. So some very nice outdoor space. This one also has city views. Ample size bedroom. It can accommodate a king size bed. Both of the bedrooms have awesome walk-in closets, as you can see here. Lots of shelving, room to hang all of your clothes. You could even fit a dresser in here too, get it out of the bedroom space. And then across the hallway is the other bedroom. Immediately to the right is the other walk-in closet. This one's pretty spacious too. Overall, I think they're pretty similar in size, which is nice for a roommate situation or if you want to make it an office space.